In this video, I'm going to explain how you can start investing in cryptocurrencies easily and safely, and at the end I'll give you a very useful tip. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, you should stay until the end. First, choose a cryptocurrency exchange platform. This is the website or app that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies with fiat money, such as euros or dollars, or with other cryptocurrencies. There are many platforms available, but you should choose one that is reliable, secure, and offers the cryptocurrencies that interest you. Second, create an account and verify your identity. In order to use a cryptocurrency exchange platform, you must register with your personal information and verify your identity with an official document, such as an ID card or passport. Third, deposit money or cryptocurrencies into your account. Once your account is verified, you can deposit fiat money or cryptocurrencies into your account to start investing. The deposit method may vary depending on the platform and country, but some of the most common are bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and online payment services such as PayPal or Skrill. Fourth, buy and sell cryptocurrencies. When you have a balance in your account, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies according to market price. To do this, you must choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell, the amount and the type of order, market, limit, or stop. Fifth, withdraw your profits or losses. If you want to withdraw your profits or losses from your account, you must request a withdrawal to your wallet address or bank account. Before you go, I advise you to be informed about this topic so as not to be scammed and lose money. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to the channel for free and leave your like and comment on the topic. See you next time.